Now, here we have something called a KVM switch box, right? And we take the letters KVM, and what do they stand for? They stand for keyboard, video, and mouse. If you have a situation where you have more than one computer on your desk, and these days with virtualization, this is kind of becoming a thing of the past, but uh, in the old days, if you'd have two or three or four computers, or forget on your desk, let's say in a server room, right? In a rack, you have all these different servers, but you only want to have one keyboard, one mouse, and one monitor. This was nothing more than a switch box that allowed you to use a single keyboard, a single mouse, and I know we're not talking about it in this lesson, but a single monitor, and then you could switch between them as far as which computer they were controlling. All right. Now, in today's world, they still have these KVM boxes, but again, very often you won't see the PS2 connectors, but instead you'll have a bunch of USB connectors. But the concept is still the same. All right. How about we reel things, into a little bit closer to today's world and talk about the high-speed connection ports?